So welcome everybody. I'm Lynn Edwards and I'm a quilter and have been for 1,000,000 years. Long standing member of the Quilters Guild. And I make quilts and I write about quilts and I teach quilt making. I'm going to focus on essential skills for quilt making. It's just that so often when you want to do something, the instructions will skim over how you do it. And there are a lot of people coming into quilt making who really don't know these things. And those more experienced don't really realise that they don't know it because they are so far down the road. I tell you what, I think it's a bit like a driving instructor. When you get into the car to have your first lesson, he doesn't say, right, we're going to Aberdeen. What he says is, this is how you start the car. And then we'll go a little way. This is how you stop the car at the end of the road, how you deal with other traffic. So I'm looking at the step-by-steps and going into great detail. Now, if you're an experienced quilt maker, you may think, well, this isn't for me. But you know, you never, ever get through a session with other people without you learn something that they do that you didn't or whatever. There's often a moment when people say, well, it was worth watching because I didn't know that. If you'd have a better way of doing something, if I show you something and it's not a way that you do, if you like it, you try it. If you've got a way that you're comfortable with, stick with it. It doesn't matter. There's no rules. My friend Wendy has this lovely expression, mother's drunk, do what you like. And it's true. In quilt making these days, the rules are not really there. That's how we progress. But it's very nice to know the strategies as you go step by step. So that's what we're going to do.
Why not join our thriving quilting community to access quality digital content and learn from expert practitioners such as Lynn Edwards and Philippa Naylor? This is just one of the many ways we can help you on your quilting journey. To subscribe today and enjoy our full range of member benefits, please visit quiltersguild.org.uk.